Oh, fucking dog bowl, shit. Oh. Oh. There must be some way on ahead, said the joker to the thief. There's too much confusion, I can't get no relief. Businessmen, they drink my wine, plowmen dig my earth. None of them along the line know what any of it is worth. No reason to get excited. The thief, he can't phone. There are many among us who feel that life is but a joke. But you and I, we've been through that, and this is not our fate. So let us not talk falsely now. The hour is getting late. The watchtower, princess kept the view, while all the women came and went, barefoot servants too. And outside in the distance, a wildcat did growl, and two riders were approaching the wind. They began to howl. Hey, oh, Cheers.